our Take and Bake craft. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you how to make matcha lemon muffins. Matcha is a type of green tea made by taking young tea leaves and grinding them into a bright green powder. There has been a lot of hype during the past years about health benefits of matcha. It is very rich in antioxidants, it improves metabolism, memory, reduces stress, and more. But it does contain caffeine, so if you watch your caffeine intake before bedtime, you may choose to eat your muffins a little bit earlier. The matcha we are going to use for these muffins is a culinary grade matcha which is cheaper than the traditional Japanese matcha they recommend for drinking. But for baking, it's just perfect. Now, let's take a look at what's included in your bag. There is flour mix, sugar, powdered sugar, a container with vegetable oil, lemon juice, and muffin cups. What you need to add is 3/4 of a cup of milk. You can use either regular or almond milk. You also need 1 egg. The equipment you will need for these muffins is a mixer, a large bowl, baking sheet, two cups, measuring spoon, a tablespoon or a teaspoon, and you will also need something for greasing your baking tins. It can be either a cooking spray, but if you don't have one, you can use either oil or melted butter. So let's begin. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then grease the muffin cups. There is a paper lining inside of each cup, so technically you do not have to grease it, but the paper peels off much better if it's lightly greased. I am going to use a cooking oil, put a little bit of oil on paper towel, and wipe each muffin cup. Next, squeeze 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into a cup and set aside. This lemon juice will be later used for a glaze. Then, in a large bowl, mix together the egg, milk, oil, and the entire content of the lemon juice. Then add sugar and mix. Next, add the flour mix. May want to do it gradually, not all of the flour at once. And mix. Mix just until combined. It's important not to overmix the dough. Then distribute the batter evenly into the muffin cups. Place the muffin cups on a baking sheet. And bake in the oven for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of baking, my muffins are done. You can check doneness by inserting a toothpick into a muffin. It should come out clean. Some of my muffins got a little bit out of shape, but it's okay. Disposable muffin cups never give the muffins the same support as a sturdy muffin pan would. I do not have a muffin pan, but if you do have one that fits the size of muffins, you can use it for additional support. Now the muffins have to cool. It may take an hour or longer depending on your room temperature. When the muffins are cooled, it's time to prepare the glaze. Put the powdered sugar inside a cup. Then put the lemon juice inside, but don't pour all of it at once. When the weather is warm or it's humid inside your house, the glaze may turn out runny. So you do not want that to happen. Mix the glaze with a spoon until you reach a smooth consistency. My glaze is already done. I could not use more lemon juice because it will be too runny. Now put the glaze on the cold muffins. That's it. When the glaze is set, the muffins are ready to be served. You can store the remaining muffins in an airtight container or a large Ziploc bag. Make sure to place paper towels on the bottom and top of the bag to prevent the muffins from getting soggy. You can put them into the fridge if you like, but they taste best at room temperature. Thank you for watching and enjoy your muffins!